So ready na po kayo sa original part, Impact! Thank you so much.
Nakanta sila.
Para tayo sa bawal yung mga boses ko. Abot mo ba dito yung boses? Check. Are you ready? Of course, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming. So, hintayin po natin mag-pause si music. Yes. Mga bukas pa siguro. So, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Once again, Dreamers, are you ready?
Yes!
Music, please. Please, yung higaw ko eh.
Okay po ba sa inyo yung music?
Yes.
Hindi ba masyadong mahina?
Hindi ko siya marinig.
Sa atin hindi
I
okay.
think, kasi wala tayong
Wala tayong monitor.
Wala tayong monitor. Okay, so before anything else, we would like again to introduce ourselves individually habang nilalagay ko yung earrings ko. Siyempre, kilala niyo naman po kami, di ba? Okay, sino pong panganay? Sino pangalawa?
Hindi ako
Sino pangatlo?
Ako po ang nanay.
Siya pala ang nanay. And of course, sa mga bago, for those people who are new, thank you very much for coming po. And we really appreciate your time spending with us. Alam po namin napaka-busy po ninyo. And ito pong ginawa po namin Christmas event is parang mabilisan lang po. Hindi po namin pinano or ano, parang 1 week lang ata, 2 weeks.
Actually, hapon lang eh.
Thank you so much po for coming. Super na-appreciate po namin yung effort po ninyo. Yung
Yes.
presence po ninyo tonight. Thank you very much.
Nag-enjoy pa kayo sa dinner? Nabusog pa kayo?
Oo, pare-parehas lang po tayo ng kinain. Kaya ano. So, start na natin. Sino ba talagang panganay? Para malaman po ng mga bago dito.
Yes.
Bago.
For those na first time na po kami na-meet ngayon, so I'm the youngest. Joke. Sa height. Now, I'm the eldest and my name is Amira!
Ako naman po si Irene and I'm the second.
Yes! Magandang gabi po. Ako naman po si Maylene at ako yung pangatlo.
Yes! Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Selena and I'm the youngest.
Once again, we are
Fourth Impact!
Ayan.
Is there anyone here who don't know how to understand Tagalog or who doesn't speak Tagalog?
Ikaw na yan. Joke.
Oh, do we need to speak in
hi.
English? Because, we intended, hi Julio, we intended to, celebrate the charity here in the Philippines, so we don't need to speak in English. Is that okay?
Just kidding.
So please adjust for us. Please,
Ilocano lang, Ilocano.
ask your wife about
Hindi, may
the
translator
interpretation.
up daw siya.
Yeah, there's a translator. Oh my God, thank you.
Pwede nagdala siya translator.
And of course, welcome to our show po.
Nasaan?
Ah,
Sino daw?
sino ang sinasabi mo?
Bukas pa tayo na daw.
Oh, Tita Dami! Hello po!
Yes, and her
They're from
family.
Singapore pa. Palakpakan niyo naman po sila and the family. Hello!
Thank you po.
Tita, nagsasalita naman sila ng, Tagalog.
Say it, speak Tagalog.
Ah,
You can speak
a little bit. English daw man, sigaw na dyan.
Good night!
No, welcome to the Philippines.
Okay lang po yung
And we would like to, I'd like to acknowledge Tita Ria Pempenko. Palakpakan niyo po, Tita ko ni Charisse yan. Hi, Tita Ria. Naalala niyo ba ako?
May show ano si Charisse.
Siyempre, hindi pa ako lumaki, so hindi niya ako makakalimutan. Okay na ba?
So let's continue the show. Enjoy the night. And para po sa inyong lahat to, talaga pong actually, dapat balak po namin 3 songs lang kaso last time kasi parang nabitin yung mga dreamers. So, dadagdagan namin ng isa. 4 songs na. So, this time,
Before we continue the night, we would like to take this opportunity, have a pause, and offer a little prayer, a little bit of silence.